Darling, if I sat down and I wrote a song, I would know where every word belongs. 'Cause I'd write my song about you. Darling, if I tried to paint a work of art, all the colors would pour from my heart. 'Cause all I think about is you.